This next section is important for advisors traveling with students. Before traveling, you need to be familiar with certain College Board policies. You can find these policies through our HR department on Concur web. The policies that you need to review are FK, both the local and the regulation policy, the Employee Standards for Conduct, which is known as DH Local, the Transportation Management Policy, which is both CJ Legal and Local, and the Student Code of Conduct. If you have any difficulties finding these board policies or accessing the Student Code of Conduct, please contact either the Dean of Students Office, HR, or the Student Life Office for more information. Prior to travel, you will also be required to receive the emergency contact information for each participant who will be traveling with you. It is really important that you have this information a few days prior to travel, especially if there is inclement weather. We've had some situations in the past where we've had ice storms and other things that have actually canceled or delayed trips, and in those cases you'll need to be able to contact all of your participants. The emergency contact information also needs to be on your person when you travel. Do not put it in your checked luggage, because there's a possibility that you might need that when you're at the airport or before you get to your actual destination. Two more pieces of information that you will need prior to travel are these. One is everyone who's traveling will have an administrator that they can contact if they have any problems or concerns during the trip or prior to the trip. Make sure you have the emergency after-hours contact information for your specific travel administrator. That will vary depending on if it is an academic or a student organization or an athletic type of trip. In addition, any exceptions to our travel policies have to be approved in advance by this same travel administrator. Prior to any travel with students, travel advisors will need to have the event approved by their supervisor or travel administrator. In order to do that, a professional leave form will need to be completed and submitted and approved before the advisor is able to travel with students.